Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, talking a little bit about winterizing your lawn. It's interesting that winterization of your lawn is really one of the most important steps in good lawn care, because putting your lawn to bed for those of you that live in colder climates is really important, because it helps promote deep root growth, and more importantly, it helps that lawn to come back to life next spring. So a few things that you can consider this time of year. One is you can use a spot weed killer. You know, you may have some areas where you see a few weeds here and there. This is a very strong chemical, this spot weed killer, and you're going to take it directly over that and just give it a little shot. You don't have to go crazy with this spraying a lot, because what this does is it gets into the ectoskeleton of the weed, actually gets down into the root and kills that. So that's a really a good thing to do this time of year. Another thing you can do is do a little fall seeding. Now this is an easy seed patch and repair, but you can use this any time of year. So some of those bare spots that you have before it really gets cold, go ahead and use this to bring those areas back to life, because it's going to allow the seed to germinate, and while the soil temperature is still warm enough to do so, it'll get down in there and grab hold before it goes to sleep for the winter. Now in the fall, I'm a big fan of core aeration. This is a hand core aeration device. You actually use this with your foot, so you're going to get a nice workout. You kind of take this around and you pull up, and it's poking holes. You'll see the dirt kind of comes up in there, and it actually exposes the roots to get some air down inside there, so that when you apply a winterizing fertilizer like this Scott's product right here, it's going to get down into the roots. Now if you have a larger lawn, you can rent a machine that does this pretty quickly. You'll see a lot of landscapers use that. But this is the most important right here, this fall winter guard, and you're going to apply this to your lawn, and this is a slow release fertilizer that's going to get into those holes that you created, and as I mentioned earlier, promote that root growth, so that your lawn is still being fed a little bit as the winter months come into play. But then in the springtime, when that soil temperature warms up and reactivates that fertilizer, you're going to have the best looking lawn in the neighborhood. Ace is the helpful place.